Okay, this is Charlotte. I'm going to walk you through from beginning to end how I create one of my announcements with the banner and everything else involved. So first, we'll click on the announcements tool. While that's loading up, we'll open up PowerPoint. I'll show you how I make my banner from PowerPoint. So once I'm in here, I just search banner up there at the top. And a lot of different ones come up you can pick from. I chose this one, the anniversary banner. Click create. Okay, so then where these letters are, I just changed it to font 80, and then I typed in like lesson 1, and then, or whatever it is, and I went all the way through and did that so that they would all be the same, but that they would be different colors, and there's actually exactly as many letters as we have lessons, so that was nice. And then to save that, I searched the snipping tool on my computer, and I clicked new, and then you just draw right around here, and then you gotta file and save as, and then I just saved it down here in, wherever you save your stuff. I have a pathway folder with lesson numbers, so here's what they all looked like when I got done. So I'm not actually going to save it because I already have one, but so that's how I created the banner. So then I saved it as a picture. So then when I make my announcement, from past semesters I've saved my announcements, all the words, so I can just copy and paste the words and then change it as I need to. And so what I do though to get my banner in here is I click insert image, upload, and then I go to my pictures where I saved all those snapshots of the banner. And then when you add here, okay, add images decorative. Okay, so, oops, sorry. So what we want to do is actually lesson 13. That's what lesson we're on here. Okay, so upload lesson 13. Add, and you can actually store these in the system, so next semester you can find them easier. I haven't ever done that. I don't know why. I should. Okay, so then I just make it whatever size I want to, and then voila, there's my banner. And I usually space it over a little so it'll be more in the center. And then I copy and paste the rest of my announcement from here, and then I add some bold or colors. I add maybe another picture or a meme and a spiritual video. So if you don't know how to do a spiritual video, I'll show you really quick. So the one I have for this, here's my link. So let's see, open hyperlink. Okay, so it's kind of like the old way we had to do this. You go share, embed, then you get that embed code, then you go back to the announcement, and you have to click this insert stuff. And this is super easy. You just go enter embed code, that bottom one right there, paste it, next, insert, and there you go. So that's how I inserted my banner in here. That's how I do my spiritual video each week. You can also do your own video notes, which I think most of you know how to do. So anyway, there's lots of different ways you can add banners. This is just one way that I like to do. So I'm going to show you now what the rest of my announcements look like so you can kind of get. So here was lesson 12. So that's what the banner looks like in use. Here's my announcement. I'm actually going to go up to the home page view that you would see. Okay, so here's what the announcement looks like. Lesson 12, big banner. they can easily see these are my lesson notes for this particular lesson. So there's lesson 12. Scroll down. I like to include a little meme that goes along with the lesson, give the objectives reminders, and there's my spiritual thought video. So you can see it stands out from the other ones because of this big banner. So that's why I encourage you to use a banner specifically for your lesson notes, so that all the important information that you put there, the students are going to be drawn naturally because you have this big banner that says, hey, look at me, I'm lesson 12, this is what you need to know. So yeah, that is just how I create it. I hope that helps. Let me know if that's not clear, and I can try making another video with a little more explanation. So anyway, thanks.